it's clear.
Okay. So Advait, here, like for example, Advait, if I ask you to count the numbers, for example, count the numbers means you're counting some number of chocolates which you have. So you'll start counting from which number, Advait?
7.
7. Like for example, number of chocolates which you have, like you bought some chocolates and you're checking how many chocolates you have, suppose. Then we'll start counting from which number, Advait, generally. 7 will start. Suppose you want to count the number of chocolates which you have, and you want to check it. Then how generally from which number we'll start counting?
5.
But for example, suppose if you start counting from 5, then we will not get the exact number. Then after 5, then which number you will take up to?
After 5, you'll get like 10.
10.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll start counting the numbers a bit normally from 1.
Okay.
Normally from 1 is it. Any numbers, normal numbers.
Normal numbers.
2, 3 like that.
2.
The numbers numbers, I think you might have idea about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Once try a bit. No problem. You can 1, 2. Like after 1, which number is it?
2.
Then after 2?
3.
Then after 3?
4.
Like that. So it will go on like that. So if you actually with you're counting something, means generally we'll start counting from 1 another. Actually we'll not start from 5 or double it like 10 like that. If multiples of 5 means 5 table, like 5, 5, 5 like that. If you're counting means 5, 10, 15 like that will count.
Okay.
Okay, but for example, you're checking number of flowers or number of chocolates or number of items. If you want to check number of items which you have, then we'll start counting it from actually 1. Generally, we'll start counting it from 1. For example, you want to count the number of people who attended some game or like, for example, let us take cricket. So how many players are there in a match? Like in one team?
11.
Yes, sir. So that 11, how we will start counting hundreds? Suppose some people have entered the crowd. Suppose Empire had it out. Whether 11 people came or some more than people, more than that came, they had it out and he started counting. So he started counting and he start counting from which number? He'll start counting from 1 on. Because number of people, he want to check it means we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 individually. He'll check it. Okay, right?
Yeah.
So from where we'll start counting the page is normal counting of numbers means from 1. Okay. So if you're counting something means you start counting from which number away?
From
1.
1. Yeah.
Exactly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these type of numbers are called like the numbers which we generally use to count something away. We'll call these as counting numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So these counting numbers are only called as these counting numbers. The another name of these counting numbers is only natural numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Natural numbers are nothing but we represent the natural numbers with n way as per our syllabus. So here means n is a representation generally we use it for natural numbers. So natural numbers start are also called as counting numbers because generally if you want to count anything means you start counting it from 1. So they from where they start with 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. Okay, infinity. This is a symbol of infinity. Means there is no end for it.
Okay.
So the numbers actually these numbers have no end at all. So that is the reason why that is a symbol of infinity. So Aro, what is the smallest natural number, Aro? No, if
1.
we, yes. So here if we see the list of these numbers, right, the smallest number is 1. The biggest natural number or the biggest counting number?
What?
The biggest, the greatest counting number or the greatest natural number?
Infinity.
Is very nice. That is correct. So we cannot tell value of it. So simply it's so bigger. So we'll say it's 22. So right now, if you see from this list only, how many one digit counting numbers or one digit natural numbers are?
Your voice is kind of breaking.
Well, Advait, now can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. In this list of natural numbers, Advait, or counting numbers, how many one digit numbers? One digit.
Um. Many.
Any idea, Advait?
No.
Okay, one digit or nothing but Advait. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are there?
9.
Yes, sir. These are the one digit numbers. Actually. Okay. So actually, Advait, in our entire maths, we have digits. Digits means the ones which we use to write any number. Okay.
Okay.
So along with these 9 digits, we will add one more digit called 0.
Okay.
So total, how many digits we got, Advait?
9.
Plus 1, 0. Also, if we include means 10 digits. Okay.
Okay.
One digit numbers means 0 will not be counted, but 0 is useful for us to write any numbers like 10, 20, 100, like that. Okay. Then.
Okay.
So now how many one digit numbers means 1 to 9, right? Including with 0, it will become in total in our math subject, we have 10 digits. Using these 10 digits only, we'll write any number. Okay. So what are the digits of which 0 to 9 are called as the digits in our math subject individually? What are those digits? Means digits are the building blocks of a number. So if you want to write any number means whether it is 2 digits number or 3 digit number or 5 digit or how much big number like 10 digit 4 number also. Everything also we want means using these digits only. So simply to tell with 0 to 9, these are like ABCD names. So ABCD like that we have till Z naught, right? ABCD till Z. So no. So these ABCD till Z are called as alphabets. So these alphabets, using these alphabets, actually we write any word or statements. No. Yes or no?
What?
So same way with 0 to 9, using these 10 digits. In total 0 to 9 we have 10 digits. Using these we'll write any number in. Okay. So simply to tell, number is formed using the digits. Okay, right? Number
Okay.
is formed using the digits. So what are the digits? 0 to 9 are called as the digits. Total 10 digits. Okay. So right now we have one more thing called the natural numbers I was telling before, which starts from 1, 2, 3, so on infinity. And whole numbers are they start from There is one more thing called whole numbers.
Okay.
There is one more thing called whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. Means in the list of natural numbers, if we add extra 0, right, 0 in that list, then it will become whole numbers. Okay. Just extra 0 if you start it from that list from 0 to infinity, we'll call it as whole numbers. Is it okay, right?
Yeah.
So what is this now from this advert? What is the smallest whole number advert?
0.
Yes, advert. Greatest whole number?
Um, Infinity.
Yes, advert. Nice. So now advert, this is about the natural numbers and whole numbers. Now we will, so advert, we have idea with the tables till which number, advert? Tables, normal tables.
I know tables to like 1 to 12.
Once you'll try to tell the 12 table advert.
What?
12 table. Once you'll try to tell 12 table. 12 table. 12 ones are 12. That one. 12 table. Or any table of your wish. Any table.
7.
Okay, okay. You can tell a bit. Is that it?
I was just checking it.
Okay. You're writing it at both or
I'm writing it. Mm. This is okay.
okay, good, nice. 7, 8. So how much you wrote at it? 7 into 8.
7 to 12.
Just a second, right? 7, 7, 46, 7, 56, 7, 9. So Advait, 7 into 10, 70. 7 into 9 is how much, Advait? Once check the 7 into 9, you wrote it as 57, no?
7 into 9 is not 57.
How much you wrote, Advait? 63
Um,
only?
yeah, it's 63.
Okay, it is fair. Nice. So Advait, now we will do, that is correct. So, for example, if I want to do this addition, Advait, 1992 plus 208.
Okay.
What is the answer of it? 1992 plus 208.
See, 2200.
Uh, Correct. So Advait, if I want to multiply these two to 5 into 7.
17175.
Exactly. Correct. Suppose if it is 250 into 25.
6250.
Okay, good. That is fine. So Advait, in division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, out of these four operations, which ones you feel easy and which one is much easy and which one is little difficult, Advait? You feel division, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Among these four, which ones you feel easy and which one is difficult, Advait?
Multiplication is easy and division is kind of hard.
Okay. Okay. So with once we will do one subtraction, minus 876. Once we'll try to tell the answer for the subject.
1231.
Okay. Okay. So with we will do one digit division only. Like let us divide 2050 with the 9. We don't know actually 19 table, right? But we know how to multiply it 19 and then we can do it. So let us divide 2050 with 19. Okay. Once you will try it a bit or once you'll try it a bit.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Okay. Okay. Is that right?
I was still figuring out the question.
Okay. You're doing it that way still?
Yeah.
Doing? Okay.
I'm not getting the answer still.
Okay, Advait. So as of now, Advait, what is the quotient we got, Advait, as of now? Is whatever number you have. One show me, Advait. Honestly.
It's the work I was trying still.
Okay, Advait, no problem. Little this side, Advait, left side, I didn't see.
Sure.
Once, yes, Advait, 1 second, show, Advait. Uh, Okay, 19 on the first, in the first step you wrote Advait, 19 into, what is the first digit Advait? 1 only there.
Here,
Here Advait, here on the top.
on the top.
On the top Advait.
Oh, here on
In
the.
the quotient, this field, this.
Okay. I was trying to figure out like how much it is if you like try it without like
Okay, 19,
the
19
multiplying way.
into, okay, you're checking 19 into some number directly to get 2550 like that, you're telling, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Advait, generally we will proceed with the division, like we will in this way, right? Once I am explaining here. So 2050 division with 19. So if we see it, right, first we will see the divisor. The divisor is nothing but the number with which we are dividing. This is called as divisor, right? And the number which we are dividing is called as
Dividend.
dividend. So Advait, what I will do is now we will check the number of digits in the divisor. So number of digits in the divisor is 19. No, 19 has two digits. 199, two digit. It's a two-digit number. Okay,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now we'll check the in dividend also we'll check the first two digits. In dividend also we should check the first two digits. Suppose if the divisor is 5, single digit, then here also we should check the first digit. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose here first two digits is more than 9, suppose less than 19. Here means 20 is more than 19. But if it is less than 19, then we can take the three digits first only, not a problem.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right. So now 19 and 20 is the first two-digit number is 20 here. So 19 is closer to 20. So I can take 19 into 1 Advait. 19 into 1 is 19 and we have to write under 20. Okay.
Okay.
If I take 19 into 2 Advait, it will become 38, which will be more than 20.
Mhm.
Okay. So that is the reason why we should take 19 into how much Advait?
19 into 1.
Yes, Advait. Then in division Advait, in every step, the operation which we need to do is subtraction. So we'll subtract. So 20 minus 90. How much Advait? 20 minus 90?
1.
1. Then this 5 will come down. Advait. In every step, after doing a subtraction, we have to bring the next digit in the dividend down. Okay.
Then you have to bring a 0 because it's lower than 19.
Yes, sir. In every step, since we can bring only one digit down, after bringing that digit down, right, whatever the number that is there here, if it is smaller than the divisor, then we need to take 0 times. 19 zeros are 0 because the reason is 19. If we take 19 into 1, we have to write 19 here, which is more than. Okay.
Okay.
So 15 minus 0 is 15, then this 0 will come down again. Okay, next step again I have done the subtraction and then next digit I brought it down. Next digit now 150. 150 is actually bigger than 9. So 150 is bigger than 19. So we will take the nearest number of 150 in 19 table by counting the table 19 and directly counting some bigger ones. Because 19 into 2 is 38. It is smaller. So no need of checking 19 into 3, 4 because directly we'll take some bigger. Okay.
Okay.
So 19 into 7 hundred. I'm directly checking 19 into 7. 7 9 63. So 6. 7 into 1 7 plus 6 30. Then just for our confirmation, we'll check 19 into 8 also. 8 nines are 56. 8 nines are how much are there?
8 times is 72.
So 8 nines is 72. 2 will be here, 7 will be here. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7 is 5.
8 times 1. 8 times 1.
Yes, sir. 8 times 1 is 8. No?
Yeah.
And plus 7 is?
Plus 7 equals 50.
So we got 152, right? 19 into 8 is 152. 19 into 7 is 133. So which one we should take?
19 times 7.
Yes, sir. That is correct. So final remainder is 150 minus 133 is the final remainder, right? And this will be the ending step of the division because we don't have any digits to bring down further. That's why.
Okay.
So 150 minus 133. Okay.
70, 73. Wait, no, it's not 73. 117.
Yes, sir, both that is. So like this, right? We'll do one more. This is the final division, right? So there is one thing called division rule, right? You have idea of division rule. Division rule is nothing but whatever the number that we got on the top, this is called as quotient, right? The number that we got it on the top is actually
Okay.
quotient. And the number that we got down here, this is the
Remainder.
remainder. Okay, bro?
Okay.
So we have one rule called division rule, right? What is the division rule is dividend is equal to. Shall I delete this away or once I'll keep it here? What is the rule is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay.
Okay.
This is the rule to check whether our division is correct or not. Right? Let us whatever we have done is correct or not. Division, we will use this division rule. Okay. So in this, what we have to do is simply we will multiply the divisor and the quotient which we got, and then we'll add it with the remainder. Okay.
Okay.
If we get the answer equal to dividend, then whatever the one which we did is completely.
Okay. Should I do it?
Yes, sir, right. So divisor into quotient, right? So divisor is how much? 19, and quotient is 107. So we'll multiply 107 into 90.
Okay.
107 into 90. First step.
I got 2050.
Yes, sir. Means directly 107 into 19 on that, right? After adding the remainder.
I got it after like multiplying divisor by quotient and adding the remainder.
Yes, sir. Then sure, right? So, little this. Little less. Yes, sir. 107 into 19 is 2033, I think, plus 19. 2033, right? That is
What?
2033, no?
2033. It was the one for before. It's like right here. Oh, the one before you add the remainder?
Yes, sir. 2033. 2033.
Yeah, I got 2033 for
Yes,
after
sir.
divisor and
Yes,
quotient.
sir. So again, 2033 plus 19 will be how much?
Plus 19 or 17?
Oh, it's 19 table, not the 19. No. Sorry, reminder. Okay, okay. Whatever you did, correct answer. So we need to add the remainder after that. So divisor into quotient is 2033, which you got 107 into 19. and plus remainder 17 if we add it means it will become 2050. That is correct.
Okay.
So Advait, one more we will do that, right? So before that, Advait, if I give you since like if I give you a small question, same division question only, but in different way. Let us take, for example, there are thousand and deleting this, right? So what is the division rule, Advait? What is the division rule formula?
If you add a divisor plus quotient and a remainder, like multiply division divisor by quotient, then you add the remainder, you get the dividend.
Yes, sir. That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that suppose, for example, if I give you a question like this, if 1500 chocolates are distributed, if 1500 chocolates are distributed among 25 people, how many chocolates each each got, and how many are left? So with if 1500 chocolates are distributed among the 25 people, how many chocolates each got and how many are left?
Okay.
So this one, how can we do it that way?
You can like do 25 divided by 1500.
Yes, 1500 divided by 125, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Then we get the number of chocolate each person got, and how many are left. Then how many are left is nothing but right of the division, whatever remainder we get, no, in the last. That
Yeah.
is only the left one because reason is after dividing 1500 among 25 people equally, if we get still remainder anything, that is only the number of chocolates left. Suppose if we get remainder zero there, then that completely that 1500 got shared. So if suppose remainder is zero, no chocolates are left. Okay, is it okay? Then?
Yeah.
So that is correct. So now means you'll try and with quickly 1500 divided by 25 in the same way before.
Okay.
So,
I got 60 is the chocolates given to each person, and there are none left.
Okay, Advait, that is correct. So here, Advait, since first two digits are smaller than 25, we have to take the first three digits. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So 25, 6, 150. Then when we subtract it, then 0 will come down. Then 25 zeros are 0. We need to, since we brought the digit down 0, we need to divide it. Like this only, Advait.
Yeah.
So reference will show me Advait, just for my. Okay, directly into 60, you put it up, right?
Yeah, just did the multiplication down so that
Okay,
it will be
Advait,
like
25 into 60 directly, how you got, because in between you checked some 25 to 25 like that also, right?
okay.
Okay, good. Actually, Advait, means since suppose if very big number is given, it's very difficult for you to check 25 into how much is that directly, no?
1,500.
Ah, yes, sir. So, for example, if I give you 2,000, 2,90,000 something like that, and dividing with 25 means directly that much big number checking in 25 table is time taking.
Okay.
Yes, no? So we have to check. We have to go with step by step because the reason is that way. If we go step by step, how much big number also you can divide it easily.
Okay.
So here 115 first two digits like before division we did as well. Here divisor again 25 has two digits. 15 first two digits will check it. First two digits 15 is smaller than 25. So we will take the first three digits in the starting step. Okay. If it is
Okay.
other, if it is not in the starting step, means you have to keep zero in the quotient actually. So here, if you keep zero, also still first digit zero means it is anyways it has no value. So that's why I'm not keeping zero. Directly I'm taking first three digits. And 25, first three digits, the number formed with the first three digits is 150. 150 actually is 25 into 6.
Okay.
Okay, Advait? So 25 into 6 is 150, then 150 minus 150 is 0. Then in the next step, this 0 will come down. So 0 is only there. So 25 in 0, 0 times only will get 0. 25 to 0 is 0.
Okay.
So 25 is a 0 and final remainder is 0.
Okay.
So the quotient is 60. Quotient is 60 means 60 each person got 60 down.
Okay.
Exactly. Now, similar question, one more way in different way we will do it. Like different means, suppose let us take a way. How many, how many 25s make 7,050 Arvit? How many 25s make 7,050? In this question, what we should do is that any idea? How many 25s make 7,050?
You should divide, I guess,
Is that right? So why are right?
so that you can um see how much 25 is equal 7,050.
Yes, sir. Right. So 7,050 divided by 20. So we'll give us how many 25s are there. Similarly, how many 15s make like that, these type of ones. How many glasses of 200 ml can be filled using 1000 ml of water? It's also same division, these type of ones. 2000 divided by 200, we'll get number of glasses using 200 ml like that. Okay, right?
Okay.
Yes, okay. So this one, how many 25s make 7050 means we'll simply divide 7050 with 25.
Okay.
So quickly finish it up, right?
Mhm.
This one also 7,000. So here you can do digit by digit also. Don't directly count 7,050. Okay, right?
Okay.
So since divisor is two digits, 25, here also we'll check first two digits after.
Okay.
So 70. We'll take 70. So nearest number of 70 in 25 table. So again we'll check in the rough space 25 into 2 like that, 25 to 3. So we'll take a number nearest to 70. You'll try it as well in that way step by step.
Yeah, I'll type. I got 282.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. 25 to 50, then 20, 205. Okay, then nice. That is correct. So 25 to the 50, right? Then we have subtraction 20, then 5 will come from 25 is a 25 is a, it's a 200, and 5 will be there, then 0 will come out, 5 will be 25 to 50. Correct, right? 282, no?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. It's correct. So with the same way, for example, let us take one more question. How many 75 ml glasses of water, or let us take the number. How many? 200 ml. How many? 200 ml glasses can be filled using 1075 ml of water. So Advait, if we want to convert liters to milliliters, let us take 5 liter. 5 liter means how many milliliter, Advait?
I don't know about the liter and milliliter system.
Oh, okay, no problem. So that here anyways I gave you same unit. So directly we need to, this is also same, just extra, what is the difference between this question and before question? In before question, just simply I directly gave how many 25s are there in that number. This is also indirectly same on, just ml units extra is added. So for example, how many 200 ml? There is 1000 ml, 1075 ml of water, right? Using that water, they're filling it into 200 ml glasses. Okay,
Okay.
200 ml glasses. So how many glasses can be filled means again it is division only. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you divide 1075 with 200, then we'll get the number of glasses that can be filled up, right? And if we get any remainder, that is the amount of water still left in that container after making it into number of glasses.
Okay.
Once you finish it up with here again, first three digits, if we see the first three digits are right, this is 200 and that is 107. 107 is smaller than 200. So because of that reason, we will take 1075.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So,
So, so 5 glasses will be filled and the remainder would be 75.
Exactly. 200 into 5 is 1000 actually. So 1000 means, so we get 1075 minus 1000 is 75. So 5 complete classes can be filled, complete classes, and 5 complete classes are there, and 75 ml of water is there.
Okay.
Reminder tells us the amount of quantity of water still left in that of the shale.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir. So with in our next class, Advait, we will do few more models like this one continuous up to 4 to 5 classes. Advait, will continuously concentrate on these operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Anyways, you will also have this particular chapter for sure. Sixth class also first chapter, or mostly 100% these operations one will be there. Okay, Advait. So
Okay.
these four operations are perfectly once you're solving it as well, it will become little easy for the next coming chapters. Okay, okay.
Okay.
So whatever we have discussed today, you have understood it as well. So whatever we have discussed today, have you understood as well? Or you have any doubt?
No, I don't have any doubts.
Means this means what it means the way which I'm explaining, have you understood it as well?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good, nice, right? So again, from this, we will do it in our next class, right? From this question, we will do different few more models on all the four operations in our next class.
Okay.
Okay, then bye, bye.
Bye.